Planespotting at the docks.
Why am I here? An AT or 7.2? I mean, they have the greatest turboprops. Especially with Britain Airways livery. I might stay here and be interested. An A350? The takeoff was too much. What other plane can be next? A B-29 Super Fortress. Oh, hi, Ross.
Hello, Mirage. As you can hear, my voice changed.
Nice, let's now see some planes. This time a helicopter?
That's the Sikorsky S9 too. Small plane.
That's a Cessna 400 too.
Oh, I didn't know that.
It's okay. Another AT or 7.2.
Well, how do you know these, Mirage?
It's called knowledge. One day you'll have it.
Antonov.
And an Avanta too. You're a great friend, you know that?
Yeah. Wait, is that? The Antonov
A 225.
225. That was big.
Yeah, but rest in peace, Mary. It's a cargo 757.
And finally, the 747. Right now it's a sunset, so see you at the sheds.
Sure.
All plane-spotting people out there in the world, you're the reason planes were invented. You're amazing. Keep up the good work.